during the verification exercise, 95 boxes were found with seals intact. 6 of the boxes had broken seals, and 1 seal had no label. 1 box had no label and did not have a seal. So with that background, this is the final pronouncement of court. I have carefully listened to the submission of counsel for the applicant and the reply by counsel for the respondent, and thereafter the rejoinder by counsel for the applicant. I take note of the fact that the applicant continued to believe in the integrity of the boxes in custody of respondent number 1 and 2, much as 6 of which were found to have seals broken. I am mindful of the fact that the seals that locked the store was found intact, meaning that the act of breaking of the boxes happened before. I am alive to the fact that ballot boxes contained ballot papers and electoral materials of candidates that are not complaining in this matter. I am also alive to the fact that there is a pending application arising from the election of the elected member of Parliament of Karungu East, where court is yet to make a ruling, and to be specific, on 27th January 2026. Considering the purpose of a recount, I find that finding ballot boxes open, where court is not aware of the circumstance and what was put therein, I find that a recount cannot go ahead as the purpose is frustrated. As regards to costs, court pronounced itself while making an order for a recount. Its position that each party will bear its costs, being that it is a public interest case, still stands, and considering the circumstances surrounding this matter, and having declined to conduct a recount of all votes, bearing in mind that ballot boxes contain important materials that needs to be preserved, I hereby direct as follows. 1. The returning officer is directed to reseal all the 6 boxes in presence of all the parties, and each seal should be recorded to distinguish the boxes with original seals and those put on new boxes whose seals were found open or destroyed. 2. The store of the ballot boxes of both Karungu West and Karungu East constituency shall remain locked and under seal until final disposal of the application arising from Karungu East. And the seal too shall be put and recorded by both court and electoral commission to ensure that the integrity of storage is maintained. 3. The applicant is accordingly advised to seek other remedies in court of competent jurisdiction, as the role of the Chief Magistrate Court has come to an end at this stage. I thank you, and I wish you Journey Maxis back to your respective homes. Thank you.